Welcome to another one of our pronunciation exercises. In this exercise, you'll have the chance to say the word that appears on the screen before listening to the correct pronunciation. The best way to learn a language and improve your pronunciation is to practice as much as possible. So repeat this exercise if you feel you need to. If you're already fluent with all the words in this exercise, feel free to move on to another one with different words and phrases. Good luck, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
如果年旅行因为晚上
Great job!
重庆等能四川音乐浙江
Well done!
非常自己你们休息数学为什么
Great job!
嫦娥垃圾西图书馆 图书馆，图书馆。高兴，高兴，高兴。工作，工作，工作。
Well done.
葡萄，葡萄，葡萄。太阳，太阳，太阳。城市，城市，城市。叫，叫，叫。衣服，衣服，衣服。广州，广州，广州。
Great job.
现在，现在，现在。冰冻三尺，非一日之寒。冰冻三尺，非一